Today I am going to take you to a journey through the river Teesta. The word Teesta means stream in local language, and this steady stream of water is an ever present companion along the hill roads in north and east Sikkim. It flows alongside the road connecting Seawalk with Gangtok. The river is a lifetime for the state of Sikkim, and there are a number of hydro projects over this river. The river flows between hills and has numerous bends along its course. While on the way to Gangtok, one can stop the vehicle and enjoy the breathtaking glimpse of the flowing river at any designated waypoint. The river offers spectacular views throughout as it winds its way down from the mountains, gathering along its course streams, very little, large and small, and its most significant tributary is the Rangit River, and it confluences in Darjeeling's Teesta Bazaar before crossing the international border in Mekhiluganj in North Bengal. Here it enters Bangladesh and meets the Brahmaputra and flows into the Bay of Bengal. From source to mouth, the Teesta is approximately 414 kilometers, of which about 150 odd kilometers are in Sikkim, 123 in West Bengal, and the remaining 140 in Bangladesh. Well, interestingly, no wires or fences, no walls or checkposts stops its journey. The confusing border between India and Bangladesh in Mekhiluganj, where the Teesta crosses over, is marked by just very few pillars on the land and iron poles in the water, which are normally submerged during the monsoon but visible when the river runs dry. If it was not for them, one would never know or believe that an international border between India and Bangladesh has been crossed. So why does a natural resource that recognizes no borders or boundaries, no religion or national identity, evoke so much passion and possessiveness? A river in its course epitomizes the very ideals humanity and only strive to abide by. And yet, instead of recognizing its power to bridge differences, it has become the center of conflict between India and Bangladesh. Well, most of the Teesta's catchment area is about 80 to 85% lies in India, and the remaining 15 to 20% is in Bangladesh. There have been a lot of disputes and conflicts regarding the Teesta waters between the two countries. There have been negotiations since 1983, and the things go very much weird, and there is no definite conclusion on the water's distribution of Teesta water. There are so many treaties and so many agreements between both the countries, but somehow the things have not reached to a very logical conclusion. Most of the Bangladesh lies within the international river basins of the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, and in the Meghna rivers. Together, the waters of these three rivers make the third largest international river system in the world, which is approximately 1.7 million square kilometers spread over India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Nepal, of which only 7% lies in Bangladesh. Brahmaputra enters Bangladesh from the north, Ganges from the east, and the Meghna from the southeast. At the farthest end of the river systems, the farthest end of the river systems originate in the eastern Himalayas, and Bangladesh is heavily dependent on India for a steady supply of river waters. Out of about 230 small and large rivers in Bangladesh, 57 are transboundaries. 54 of those flow through India. So, as you see that we have been traveling from Gangtok to Siliguri, and we enjoyed the whole journey a lot, and have been describing you something about the Teesta River, which is a beauty in the northeast part of our country. फ्रेंड्स, अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें।